Greetings everyone, my name is Ibrahim Ajara, the Executive Director of Soil Solution Gambia. Today I will want to talk about sustainable soil management and using soil as a tool to resilience climate change and malnutrition. Looking at soils, soil is part of one of the components of the earth which is called the lithosphere because the earth is made of four components. One of the components of the earth is the atmosphere, the second component is the hydrosphere, the third component is the biosphere, and the fourth component which is the lithosphere, which I will want to talk about today. So the lithosphere is a solid part of the earth which is made of parent materials, rocks, soils, and etc. This soils is where we grow our crops, and this crops is where we get our source of food from. Um, and this lithosphere alone has the capacity to compose more carbons than the three other components of the earth put together. But what has happened over time? Due to the continuous growing population of human and industries, this soil has been exposed to degradations, deforestations, and destructions. Therefore, it has begun to lose its capacity of composing carbons and other greenhouse gases. Likewise, its fertility. So these greenhouse gases are being emitted to the atmosphere, which they form blanket surrounding the earth. This blanket is serving as a conductor, conducting the heat radiation from the sun. When the sun shines, this blanket is conducting the heat radiation from the sun, storing it. When the earth should experience cold temperature, the blanket will now start to release the heat radiations it has stored from the sun, which is going to cause it to continue heating or continue warming, which is known as global warming. This has happened over the past 10 years, and global warming has been a global threat since 1950. It has been increasing. The global temperature has been increasing since 1950, and it is now time for us to put our attentions to this global warming and put this climate change into a whole. And soil is one of the key things that we can use to stop this climate change or to mitigate this climate change because it has the capacity to store more carbons than all other components of the earth put together. These soils we need to nurture, we need to conserve, we need to preserve for our future generations, for our future use, to make sure that we grow more carbons and then to store more carbons in it to preserve our atmosphere from